Hi, Saurabh.
Hello.
Saurabh, you're currently staying as a tenant in Gurgaon. Now, is this your first time in Gurgaon?
Yes, as in terms of rent basis, yes, for the first time, because before this I was staying as a paying guest, so I
Okay.
had not done any rent agreement or anything of that sort.
Okay, all right. So, how did you come to know about tenant screening?
It was displayed on the main gate of the society entrance. The main society entrance gate it was displayed out there, and then I was told by the president of RWA that it is mandatory to be done.
Okay, all right. So, what was your first reaction when you heard about such a program?
Honestly speaking, it was not very good. I thought, what is the need for that? But soon later, I realized that yes, it is in as in beneficial for both the RWA or the landlord and for me also, because I also get a check done and then I can actually go ahead and prove it that yes, everything is correct with me, nothing wrong.
All right. Okay. So, how was your experience of tenant screening? Did you feel it was it was a very cumbersome process to go through, or hard to comply with the policy?
No, not at all. It was very plain, simple. I guess 3 pages form and very basic information which is required, which
Okay.
as in you can recall very easily, not to compile any page or any information of that sort, and just a copy of your identity proof. So I guess that's very simple, nothing very difficult in it.
Okay, all right. So, what were the positives that you saw in this tenant screening process, and is there any area which you think could be improved in this program in order to enhance the experience of a tenant?
See, as far as the entire process is concerned, I feel it is good enough. The only point I would like to mention is that it is equal responsibility of both the landlord and the tenant to get it done, and landlord should be more inclined towards this check because it's their property which they are renting to any tenant, and
Right.
they would be held responsible if anything goes wrong. And as a tenant, it is good. You feel comfortable. You can go ahead, and if anybody comes to you, you can say that yes, I have not done anything wrong. I have went through the tenant check. All my documents, everything is correct. It's all authentic. So that gives you a confidence level.
Okay, right. So now, what's your perception about tenant screening? Has it changed from your initial, reaction, what you had when you heard about tenant screening, and what's your reaction now to it?
See, I feel it is good to go through this process, but as I've told you, my only pain point is that yes, it is more of the landlord's responsibility to get it done rather than the tenant's responsibility. If
Okay.
that's as in the landlords who are made more aware about this process, it would help you a lot, because as a tenant, if I am not asked by a landlord that it is mandatory to go through a screening check, I would not prefer as in spending whatever amount of money it is.
Sure.
That's something which needs to be taken care of.
Okay, right. So, from a tenant's perspective, what benefit does such a program have to a landlord, to the society, and if any benefit at all to a tenant?
See, landlord and society, yes, of course they are benefiting. Society knows, as in the person who's staying within the society, what is his background, where he is from, so that in case of emergency also you know whom to contact, and otherwise also it gives you a comfort level that yes, you are residing with somebody whom you know, as in
Right.
who has gone through this process of background check.
Right.
As a landlord, yes, of course, he or she is handing over a big property, huge sum in terms of money. So it gives you a confidence level, a satisfaction level that yes, whatever I am handing over to somebody is in good hands.
Right. Wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us.
Thank you, Sudha.
Thank you. Bye bye.